Moving further for today's topic, its verbs are called as Verben. Verben. So, to come, we have done these in the self-introduction part. To say, let's say, to come. Woher kommen Sie? I hope you remember we did this question. Woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus Indien. Where do you come from? I come from India. So the verb that we used in that question and answer was kommen. Kommen means to come. Another question that we learned in the self-introduction is, wo wohnen Sie? Where do you stay? The answer was, ich wohne in, and then the location. So this wohnen is not a noun, no, not an adjective, not a subject. It is the verb. Wohnen means to stay or to live. Lernen. Lernen means to learn. Was lernen Sie? Ich lerne Deutsch. What do you learn? I'm learning German. So in that question from introduction, lernen verb was used. So lernen means to learn, and to play is spielen. It is not spielen, spielen. Was spielen Sie? Ich spiele Fußball. I hope you remember. So spielen means to play. Please make a note of these verbs and learn them also. Giving you a minute's time. Okay,